What is going down? As usual, we are at Paul's crib. You know, the norm these days. Just got here. We're gonna install some speakers in the M3 today. We'll see how it goes, and we'll see if we have enough time because I have a meeting at 4, so we'll see how that goes. Also, let's just take a second to appreciate how this sunlight is hitting. Yes! Paul is moving all his cars around as usual. He got the gear on, you know, stay safe during these quarantine times. My boy out here glistening and all that. Yes, wow, wow. Gotta get that Rona away. A spray a day keeps the Rona away. It's hot AF, so I'm gonna go inside, put my stuff down, grub on this Guthrie's. You know how we coming, so. They actually cleaned out the garage some, so no mannequins all over the place anymore. Got a lot more space, so we can do more stuff. Got some things coming soon, you guys. Got some things coming soon for the FRS, so stay tuned. Ooh, that lighting, the quality. Yes! What is it?
What's in the box? What's in the fucking box?
Packaging A1.
Damn, they don't want you to get the motherfucking out, do they?
Nope.
That was actually fun, man. Okay. Here we go now. Oh wow. One set of drivers. Front door, I guess. Well, these are what's totally broken in my car, which is why I can't hear anything anybody says when they call me. Oh my. Now that's an upgrade.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
When I pull out the original ones, you'll see how much different these are. How much more quality. I cannot wait. Now these should, in theory, look just like the other ones. So count them up. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 new speakers we're getting ready to install. Hopefully this fixes 2 issues. Bad sound quality and my driver's side sound. My tweeter's out. My tweeter's out because my mid-range is dying very, very aggressively. So let's start taking shit apart.
Woohoo!
Get me back together. This part though, I've taken this off 8 million times. It's very easy. Not very easy, I mean it's a pain in the ass. Okay, y'all want to know why I paid $400 for 6 really small speakers. These are what came out of my car. You hear that nice little crunch so that you know that they're definitely busted. That's the magnet on the back of them. This actually has a metal ring around it, actual polyform, and that's the magnet on the back of that one.
Whoa.
So, yeah, that's a big difference.
Yes, sir.
What's also wild is these cost about $50 a piece. If you find them used, they're
Probably
about
the
$100
cheapest
a
thing
piece.
you can find on a BMW.
Shit. For what you get, that ain't fucking much. You're in with the holy shit. if you're wondering, this is a ratcheting screwdriver I got from Harbor Freight. Probably one of the best tools I own. And I own a lot of shit. Gotta hand it to BMW though. The way they designed the sound system, so well done. Even those tiny little magnet speakers actually make decent sound.
Test this out before we install, or before Paul installs the other speaker on the other door.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so for the rear speakers that you see right there, what you have to do is pop up the seats. At first it feels like they're not going to pop up, but they definitely will. You just got to do side by side. And then this little panel comes out, but you have to release the seats. And what else did you have to do to get the panel out?
You had to pull two screws from it.
Pull two screws from the panel, and then there's a bunch of clips that just kind of pop out. It takes a minute, but I would imagine that once you do one side, you'll have a better idea of how the other side should flow. It'll go a little bit faster. Got that new speaker installed on that side, so Paul's just screwing everything in. My boy over there glistening, as usual.
Sweating a fucking storm right now.
It'll all be worth it.
Shit, it better.
Alright, now all the speakers are installed, the front and the rear, and the tweeters and all that. Let's see what she sounds like.
So much better. Alright, now I need you to call me from outside the car.
Okay. Let's see, let's call. Hello, mate. Woo! I can hear myself from outside. Alright guys, so I think that's pretty much going to conclude the install. I think it sounds pretty great. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. It actually kind of motivated me to want to do something with my audio system. I actually do have some JBL woofers installed on my doors, but I gotta figure out what's going on with them because they're still not working. So it's not the amp. I tried a new amp, so we might have to do some rewiring. Wire them, I guess, like directly to my stereo unit or whatever. That hopefully will be coming in a couple of weeks, but it's not the top of my list right now. Definitely will be having some content coming soon, and we'll do that afterwards. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys are staying safe during this quarantine time. You know, be smart, make smart decisions, wear a mask, sanitize your hands, wash your hands, all that good stuff. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.